Imagine the joy of nurturing two little ones at the same time, but also the challenge of keeping both happy and fed. Breastfeeding twins can be an incredible experience, but it comes with its own set of hurdles. Today, we're sharing essential tips and tricks to help you master the art of breastfeeding your twins, ensuring both babies are fed and you feel supported throughout the journey. First things first, preparation is key. Before your twins arrive, it's helpful to gather the right supplies. Here are some essentials. 1. Breast pump. Invest in a good double electric breast pump. This will save you time and help maintain your milk supply. 2. Nursing pillows. A large nursing pillow, like the Boppy or Twinsy pillow, can support both babies comfortably. 3. Breastfeeding bras. Look for nursing bras that offer easy access and good support. Comfort is essential when you're nursing too. Next, let's talk about positioning. Finding the right hold can make a huge difference. 1. Cradle hold. You can cradle each baby in your arms, but this may require some practice to manage both. 2. Football hold. A popular choice for twins is the football hold. Tuck one baby under each arm, which can help you feed them simultaneously and keep them secure. 3. Side lying position. This can be especially beneficial for nighttime feeds. You can lie on your side and have both babies next to you. Establishing a feeding routine can help manage your time and energy. 1. Be prepared for cluster feeding, where both babies want to eat closely together. Try to feed them at the same time to maximize efficiency. 2. Consider keeping a log of feedings to track who ate when. This can help you stay organized and ensure both babies are getting enough milk. Maintaining your milk supply is crucial when breastfeeding twins. 1. If you're separated from your babies, pump frequently to stimulate milk production. Aim for at least 8 to 12 sessions a day. 2. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet rich in calories to support your breastfeeding journey. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Surrounding yourself with a support network can make a world of difference. Consider consulting a lactation specialist who has experience with multiples. They can offer personalized advice and techniques. You can also join local or online breastfeeding groups for twins. Sharing experiences with other moms can provide encouragement and valuable insights. Finally, remember that self-care is vital. Caring for two babies can be exhausting. Whenever possible, take short breaks to recharge. Ask your partner or family for help with holding or caring for the babies. You can also practice mindfulness techniques or simple breathing exercises to reduce stress. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as physical care. Breastfeeding twins is a unique journey filled with challenges and rewards. With the right preparation, positioning, and support, you can create a positive experience for both you and your babies. Remember, every mother's journey is different, so find what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Happy breastfeeding!